This video I want to talk about just a brief introduction to natural gas, or sometimes we call it methane. So methane is the more scientific name for it, or natural gas is a popular name. So natural gas was once treated as a waste product of petroleum production and destroyed by flaring it off. Now natural gas is an equally valuable natural resource pumped and stored throughout the world. Natural gas is about 70% methane, 10% ethane, and 15% propane, depending on the source of the gas. Small amounts of other hydrocarbons and contaminants are also present, but mostly it's always containing methane. Natural gas is often found above pockets of petroleum or coal, although it is also found in places where there is little or no recoverable petroleum or coal. Natural gas is used primarily as a fuel to heat buildings and to generate electricity. It is also important as a starting material for the production of fertilizers. Although the methane can burn as natural gas millions of years ago, another 300 million tons per year estimated of new methane is synthesized by microbes or microorganisms in diverse places, such as the stomachs of plant-eating animals and the mud under the seafloor. Most of this undersea methane is eaten by other microbes, but some escapes and methane seeps. Under the sea, cold high pressure condition may allow formation of methane hydrate, which with individual methane molecules trapped inside cages of water molecules. When methane hydrate is brought to the surface, it quickly melts and the methane escapes. We currently have no practical method for capturing and using microbial methane or methane hydrate. Much of this methane escapes to the atmosphere, where it acts as a greenhouse gas and contributes to global warming.